So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and push this bell right here to get notifications when I upload new videos. Hello YouTube. So today I received this one in the box in the mail, and this is an add-on to the mixer. So it's a foot grinder. It came so small, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but you can see it's really small. So this is the box. Nothing special about it. So let's open it and see what's inside. The price for this one is around $80–90, but today, the other day, I mean, it was 50% off. So basically that's what you have inside. And I'm not sure what's this yet, but we're gonna find out. And what else? Instruction. And nothing yet. Nothing else. So this is the instruction in different languages. How to connect it. So nothing special. It's all plastic. It's not metal. So you're gonna have this one and this one. So it's two different sizes. This is the actual knife. It's on both sides. So probably you can use it either way. Yeah. That's nice. And somehow this one is locked. Oh, it's not locked actually. Yeah, so this one is plastic right here, but this one is metal, some alloy, and that's it basically. I thought it's gonna be metal, but it's plastic. We'll see how it works, and I'm gonna leave you a comment if I like it, how it works or not. That's it guys. Thank you. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and push this bell right here to get notifications when I upload new videos.